Good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good night. It's depend from where you are watching me right now. I'm saying thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for great support. Big shout out to Ethiopians, a big shout out to all Africa. Today I'm gonna react to this amazing, Ethiopian traditional music, cultural music. This is Ethiopian traditional music. So without wasting your time, let's dive into it and feel the banger, then respect the music. I mostly react to Ethiopian traditional culture. I love the beat, I love the drums, I love the kind of, man, traditional things that I've been seeing in the video. The kind of dance, man, dance with arms, the kind of shaking it. Like, it's just, there's many types of dance, I can't mention it. But the dance, very nice. I really enjoy the traditional music. So today here we got yeah, Yehune Belay Zamaye okay, Zumaye. It's I don't know how to pronounce that. But without wasting time, let's dive into it and feel the banger. Thank you so much. Here we go. Oh, kaboom. Here we go from the beginning. Let's go. Wow, look at this city. It's very good. Wow. Hmm. Wow, wow. Nice one. Zumaye. So, what is the meaning of Zumaye? It's something like you are very beautiful or you are nice. It's something like, yeah, because they say Zumaye. Yeah, I want to know in the comment section below, guys. Here we go. Oh, wow. Hey. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Mm. Wow. Hey. Hey. Boy, I love this chorus. He's saying Wolo, 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 Wolo. I know Wolo, man. I love Wolo dance. Wolo is another name of the city, or another name of city, or or village in Ethiopia, and Wollo dance. They have this dance they call Wollo. They cannot be doing something, and it's Kista is this, and Wollo is something. It's Wollo is something like. Maybe place in the comment section below if you know it. Hey. Wow. Wow.
ያበጃጃለች ቦረና ሳይት ሴቷን ንግሥት አርጎ ወንዱን መኳንንት ማልጀ ልገስግስ በቅርበ ፍረስ ሰው ሌላ ካልል እስታይሽ ድረስ ከላላ ተወልደ ቦረና ገነቴ ንግግሯ ሁሉ ሰውነቴ ፈጣሪ ስትሻቦ ደርቦ ደርቦ አላህ ያርግሽ አቦ ቁንጅና ገንቦ እድሜ ይስጥሻቦ ዘለጋ አርጎ ስቦ ሁሌም አለ ፍቅርሽ ልቤ ላይ ተከቦ ገላ 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 ስላ ገላ 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 ወናደልማተ አስንገው ሸህዬ ናፈራች ምድር ወረክና አንተዬ አታሞሽን ይዘሽ ብቅ በያንቺዬ ምድር ይጠበዋል ሽና እሱን ያየ
ዋው
ወረኢሉ ጃማን ወረናና ደገር ማዕዘን እኮ ነው የቁንጅና ማገር ሰው በገላው ውበት ወደድ የለም ወይ ሰው በገላው ውበት ወደስ የለም ወይ
Wow. This dance is ስንዴና ውበት ያፈራ ውበትም ውበት የበራን ስንዴው ልቅም ነው የጠራ ውበትም ውበት የበራ ስንዴው ልቅም ነው የጠራ ወሎ የፍራ ባወራ ስንዴና ውበት wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is so amazing. This dance is another level. You know, they gonna be hooked like this, you're gonna be shaking your neck like this, and this is amazing.